aduga mayam sisina mu Millennium Institutes of Science ko sisina Millenniums kangu tamningba kangu gdo mayam ko science stream ko tane moise si tamningba kangu suma admission open oire ko aduga moi class 11 science kangu gine mayam hantak tie logi ba kangu du tamninga ga di maru ebe information masang ta bijage mayam ko aduga sida may admission form to be issued on production of class 10 mark sheet board and exam mark sheet form 18 May onwards. Aduga schedule of entrance test shall be notified later on. Haji first 10 topper of entrance test shall be awarded COSAM prescribed textbook set. Hai. Adu moi se admission se ma'am kanodigi tang ni try pandigi ko tang try pandi thaba horani haba tum adu horamani thaba form the ma'am form lobiro adukana moigi haidi exam se entrance test se korang kan tawdino khotuna habi hajipoki di are palaitari moi notify torokane habi thumna ko hajipoki di laitari aduga moigi khar facility khar piri ko moi marki kagi kangugi ado habi hairakke moi 75% and above oiba kangu ko eligible for direct admission direct tawiyane the 80% and above but below 83% haidi 83 gi makha di oigedaba 84 gi manung di oidaba 80 to 83 ai tare ko moi sigi manung da laiba kangu sina free admission free oire adigi free monthly tuition fee free notebook grants 30 notebook and 1 practical notebook is for practical subject free prescribed textbook grants free coaching facilities by MIS lecturers limited seats aduga magi 80% and above but below 85% hadi 83 dagina 85% manung da lakpa kangu giduna free admission free fee oire ko adire free monthly tuition fee adigi free notebook grant 30 notebook and 1 practical notebook is for practical subject adigi free prescribed textbook grant adire free coaching facilities by MIS lecturer adigi free school uniform 1 set monthly scholarship of rupees 1000 per month limited seat hai aduga 85% up to 1 mark below 25 position of SSLC exam ko adu moi kangu sinamu free admission fee free monthly tuition fee free notebook grant ko adu tagina free textbook grant the free coaching facilities by MIS lecturer adagi free school uniform free school bus route adagi monthly scholarship of rupees 5000 per month adagi free hostel accommodation in MIS hostel with monthly scholarship of rupees 1000 per month limited seat fajare moi sidi adis namo special facility for 87% and above student free correspondent course for ACAS CJP plus comprehensive joint package plus for NEETMs or CJP plus for Z-Man and advanced course which include classroom lecturer during school hours of COSAM base classes and all Indian ACAS test series AIATS ko my facility P 87% duga mathak ta leba mark lak kangu satra singi ko aduga akupa mor khangbi regadi ma'am moi school chatpiro ko aduga principal unabiro sunday su moi school ji hangana ngasi chatlasu yare haji ko dukanda tanabiro school chatla kana duga form ke loction biro matam anghan da bide ma'am ko action biro kana bas lobi ko thank you